Welcome to APCA Chef Online. I'm Chef Gabriel Bonin, and today I'm going to teach you how to cook a Tunisian spiced lamb shank. For our Tunisian spiced lamb shank, we're going to use lamb shank, rice, green capsicum, yellow capsicum, red capsicum, bay leaf and cinnamon, raisins, dry apricot, candied fruits, tomato paste, curry powder, turmeric, coriander, ginger, potato, onion, garlic, and harissa spices. Very interesting recipe I'm going to bring you today. The lamb shank. Lamb shank is one of the better parts of the lamb to stew or to bake. But today we're going to stew it as Tunisian style. You can find in North African countries many different ways to cook the lamb shank. As I said before, roast or into the famous kebab. It comes from Tunisia, Algeria, and this kind of North African countries. So I think I talk enough. Let's start to cook. And I'm gonna seal the lamb shank. Add a nice splash of olive oil and season it with salt and black pepper for sure. The only reason why I'm sealing the lamb shank is because I want to keep it juicy. That's all, no more reason. So I forgot to add the black pepper. Okay. In the meantime, I'm sealing the lamb shank. I'm gonna start with the stew, with the base of our Tunisian stew. I love how lamb smells. So, again, we're gonna stew it into this pot, and then add olive oil, you see how it's starting to seal the meat. So, garlic, don't peel it, just smash it, okay? Smash and smash. Like this, and straight to the pot. I'm gonna cut the onion, but just in a few dices, like this. I wanted to keep it big. I'm gonna add the cinnamon stick and the bay leaf. We're gonna seal each side. So next step will be the capsicum. I'm just going to add half capsicum right now because it's a long stew. We're gonna stew it for around 1 hour and a half or 2 hours. And then I'm just going to cut half of this capsicum to add now, and the rest I'm gonna add it at half portion to get a nice pieces of capsicum. Otherwise, the capsicum will be overcooked and too melted. And then like this. Also same with the red one. And then you will see at half caution we're gonna stop, and we're gonna add more capsicum and the potatoes. But for now, we're gonna start with this amount. Okay. I'm going to add all those spices, starting from the curcuma, curry, harissa spices is very important. Instead of harissa spices, you can add chili powder if you want. Ginger, ground the ginger, and coriander. Stir. Wow, that is amazing. And now also I'm gonna add the tomato paste. I'm gonna add some water, not much, just a splash. For sure, I add water, but you can add any stock, chicken stock, vegetable stock, or even if you have lamb stock. Go ahead. So as you can see, our lamb shank is completely sealed. Now it's time to add it to our stew, and then it's already boiling. I'm gonna add the rest of the water until we cover the lamb shank. Exactly like this. So now it's time to simmer, and then cover it and let's simmer for 1 hour and a half. Guys, we are on the halfway cook, and I'm gonna show you how it's going. Very well. As you can see, our lamb shank is still tough because it's not ready yet, but we're on the way. We are on the way. So now it's time to add the potatoes and a bit more of capsicums, and we continue to simmer. Now it's time to cook the rice, which we're gonna be our side. And then I'm just gonna wash it. Okay, our rice is done, it's ready to cook, and then I'm just going to place it on this pot, and I'm gonna add the water. So I'm going to heat the pot and I'm gonna cover it, and when we will return, we will be able to plate. I think our lamb shank is ready. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, guys. Very, very well. As you can see, the meat is tender. You see? Easy to cut. That's the key of this recipe, this amazing lamb shank. Don't forget to add salt when you finish the elaboration, okay? And then I'm just gonna leave it here for a while, and I'm gonna start the plating with the rice. Then I'm gonna use this ring to make a little tower of rice, like this. Move it and carefully take the lamb shank. Yeah. Nice. And add the sauce and the veggies. Now we're going to finish the decoration with the dry apricots. We're going to give it a extra sweet touch. And the candied fruit. Really nice. I'm gonna chop some coriander leaf, only as an optional decoration. Wow, guys, looking good, huh? Guys, here we have our Tunisian spiced lamb shank. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. See you in our next video. Adios.